Show everyone what the rain did to us. This is usually a little tiny stream. This is usually a stream that's as thin as that, like thinner than that bridge. 4 foot wide stream. This is an after shot of what it looks like over here now. As you can see, the water was up to the bridge at that line, where it's clean, and then the mold starts. And you can see how small this creek is supposed to be, even smaller than this. That whole field, it came up 3 feet, and then it was another foot over that whole field. And it was flowing across the street, which is, you can see how deep this gully is. It was up into the yard, up to the pond almost. The giant bonfire pit somewhere down there. The stream is supposed to be at the tree line. As you can see, there's like a rake handle in there. Thing went over here. You can see how much the water just washed out everything. And you can't see, but that gully is really deep, so the water had to have come up 3 feet out of that, 3 or 4 feet out of that, and then it was another, this grades up, you're probably about another foot high, and it was up to this hose, so. And the flood water is finally receding, and we have this massive storm coming our way. It's quite massive. It stretches like the whole length of the United States. And it's headed right for the East Coast, as always. And if we zoom in here, we'll see them fueling it with a couple HAARP signatures. There's one right here, East Kentucky. Now that's over a 2-hour span, and that radar ring is incredibly visible. Let's see if we can find anything else. Yep, we come up here to New York, right by Kingston. That's where my mom's from. You'll see a big circle. Goes over Massachusetts and New York. Another smaller circle inside of it. This is what looks like more lines over here. So this whole thing is being fueled. Here over PA, we had a couple more come up for only a second. They're perfect curvatures, so you can't really deny that it's not continuing a circle. And they're probably fueling this thing right across the United States. Oh, here we go. Check out this. This is going to be right west of Minnesota, South Dakota, near Sioux Falls. Just making the storm violent. You can see right in the southeast corner of South Dakota. Let's see what else we can find. Obviously, we still have our California. Oh, over here in Oregon, we got a line. See if we can slow it down a little bit and pause on it. And we'll zoom in, see where it's originating out of, La Grande. That's quite something right there. That's on the tail end of this storm.